In this lecture, we will examine the management of human resources and the importance of human resource planning in business.
We will cover everything from the meaning of human resources to labor market analysis, forecasting demand, and the strategic importance of HR planning.
Human resources refers to the people employed by an organization and the value they bring through their skills, knowledge, experience, attitudes, and effort.
In business, people are not simply an operational necessity, they are a strategic resource. The effectiveness of a business often depends on having the right people. Human resources are managed by both human resources specialists and line managers. Together, they are involved in recruitment, training, and performance management.
Good human resource management helps a business improve performance, respond to change, and achieve its long-term objectives.
Human resources can also be understood as a factor of production. Alongside land, capital, and enterprise, labor is an essential input.
This means that people are central to business output and productivity. Because of this, businesses must manage their workforce strategically.
Labor market analysis involves studying the supply of and demand for labor within an industry, region, or wider economy.
This helps organizations understand trends in employment, wage levels, and skills availability, allowing for more effective staffing decisions.
Forecasting labor demand means estimating how many employees a business will need in the future and what types of skills those employees must have.
This is forecast by looking at business plans and expansion goals. If a business expects automation, it may need different skills rather than larger numbers.
To carry out labor market analysis, businesses use different sources of information such as government statistics and internal employer records.
Industry reports and recruitment agencies also provide immediate information about vacancies, skill shortages, and wage rates.
There is a strong link between business planning and human resources. Workforce planning must support the wider goals of the organization.
This is why human resources should not be treated separately from strategy. Planning is most effective when aligned with organizational goals.
Globalization has increased the interdependence of economies. For HR, this means recruiting internationally and managing culturally diverse teams.
Businesses must compete globally for talent and adapt to changing employment practices across different markets.
Human resource planning is necessary because organizations must ensure they have the right number of employees available at the right time.
We must plan for the nature of the work and the characteristics required for work roles, such as reliability, teamwork, and communication.
Skill levels and experience are also vital. Planning must balance the need for experienced staff with the development of newer employees.
Finally, educational levels and aptitude matter for long-term growth. Planning isn't just about immediate performance, but also succession.
The need for flexibility is another major issue. This connects to the distinction between core permanent staff and peripheral flexible workers. Options like subcontracting or agency staff provide flexibility to cover peaks in workload, though they require careful control over quality. Planning must also deal with operational issues like labor turnover and productivity. High turnover can significantly increase recruitment costs.
Other factors include skill shortages, workplace stress, and absenteeism, all of which can disrupt service delivery and reduce productivity.
Businesses must plan for motivation and engagement. Employees who identify with the organization's values support cohesion and consistency.
Employee satisfaction is a major issue. Satisfied employees are more likely to remain and contribute positively to business success.
Managing human resources effectively is about understanding people as a strategic resource that supports current operations and future growth. To conclude, human resources are a vital factor of production. Effective management enables a business to align people with its strategy.
Thank you for watching this lecture on managing human resources. I look forward to seeing you in the next session.